Our trip for today is a visit to CERN, the world's largest particle physics laboratory, located on the beautiful borders between Switzerland and France. Research here seeks to understand the secrets of the universe, from subatomic particles to the origin of the cosmos. It's a real journey through time and space. Follow our brilliant scientists as they unravel the mysteries of dark matter, antimatter, and subatomic particles that make up everything we see around us.
Okay friends, we are extremely happy to be here in this wonderful place. For anyone who wants to become a nuclear scientist, this is a place. This is a temple. No, we are in this CERN. CERN is actually it's a French word, Council European Nuclear Labora Research. It's nothing but a council for the European Nuclear Research Center. It's a wonderful place, and then we must visit. And we can just show this place. Can you show the student? And we are at the reception, and we are going inside, and then I'll explain to you everything. What is the speciality about this? Why we have come? It's very interesting. It is the world's best research center for nuclear research. We have got a LSC. It's called a Large Hadron Collider. I'll explain to you in detail, and then we'll go inside. Okay, thank you. My dear students, the idea is that actually this is what I told about the God's particle, and this is the museum. How we are doing this, why we are putting so much of millions of dollars here on this research, and why so many thousands and 10,000s of scientists are working day and night. This is what the museum is. Here, this is CERN. We are going to explain in detail. When we go there, we can just see this. Okay? Come. This is the mystery, how this exactly happening with different this one. This is the nuclear reactor happening. You can just hear. How the universe has formed, what is the Big Bang theory, all those things have been explained here in detail. Here are some formulas. You can just show these. Yeah, we'll go to the picture. This was a circular accelerator. We will accelerate those protons to come in. You can just show this, how these accelerators have been doing that. Ultimately, to liberate the high energy particles, the particle size. Yeah, here, let me see. You can just see, they have to maintain the very low temperature inside this chamber. They use the liquid nitrogen also to bring down the temperature to almost minus 271 degrees centigrade, below the sub-zero. These are how they use the different techniques. Okay, you can just show this here, how this collision will take place. The collision concept goes like this. The entire universe has formed because of the collision of the great particles inside the universe. And this has formed one of our solar system. Earth is one of our planet. This is how the concept is there, and then we are trying to understand how it's happening, why it's happening. It's a very interesting subject, the particle science. Thank you. This is actually the LHC engineering. Basically, the LHC, how it is formed is a large hadron collider. Can I use it? Okay. Exactly what happens, we need to bring this almost to the speed of light so that it will come and collide. These are all the instruments down 27 kilometers of tunnel with a lot of magnetism used so that it will come. This is the engineering and very, very concept. It took a lot of time, more than 10 years to build this. It is the first LHC in the entire world and anybody's dream to come and watch this CERN. If you want to become a physicist, you want to become a nuclear scientist. Namaste. Okay. Sure. This is actually antimatter. What they do is to get these particles of this, they use the hydrogen. From the basic hydrogen, they take the protons out, and this is what they are using to come and collide. This is called, I don't remember, there is a word, I'm not recollecting, and this is all basically derived from the hydrogen, the particles, the proton, and that has been used here to collide in power. Thank you. To just show around and then how we do everything is there. Okay. After collision happens, the particles try to emit. We need to calculate how much electron volt of energy is emitted. These are the detectors. Detectors will try to catch all these things and find out how much exactly is coming out. With this, scientists will estimate what is their total liberated energy. With this energy, it is possible to use it for the mankind. This is the energy which has made this entire universe. These are the questions to be, this is a challenge for the scientists, and we're all working on that, and then we are going to get a breakthrough very shortly. Thank you very much. इधर से फोटोस लेने के लिए मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And can you just show down? Science without borders. Actually, scientist doesn't have any border. Border is only for the political point of view. Any scientist thinks that if I invent something, it should go to every mankind. With that concept, it has been done. So that's the reason many countries, all the countries come together and then involve in this project. Science without borders.
FJ Europe Tours, you can visit CERN in our trip to Geneva with a guided tour included. Find out more at www.fj-europetours.com. If you are passionate about exploring the universe, you certainly won't want to miss this opportunity.